Cule here. Did you know that you can make a rainbow with milk? You didn't? Well, guess what? I'm going to show you how. I want you to watch up here. I'm going to do it under a camera so you can see. This is a big bowl with a little bit of milk in it, and then I'm going to talk you through the rest of it. Y'all ready? Are you excited? I am. I love science. So here we go. We are going to take and do 3 or 4 drops, y'all, of these colors. So we've got blue and green and red and yellow. And I think those were your color words come for the week. So we're going to come up here 1, 2, 3 there. And put some green here. Maybe a couple green here. And then we'll do yellow and red. Now, here's where the magic of science comes in. Are y'all ready? I hope you're ready because I'm going to take a cup and have some Q-tips in it. And I dip the Q-tips in something special. I dipped it in dishwashing soap. You know, the kind when you wash your dishes up at the sink? Are you ready? Here we go. Watch the magic happen. All right, let me try another one. Here we go. One over here. Let's see what happens. Look at that, y'all. What if we move it over here? Is it going to move it some more? Well, we'll get a new one. We'll try some more. Usually these move more. All right, y'all. They're being difficult. Let's try another one over here, close to that green. There we go. Can you see it moving? My hand's in the way. That's why. Look at that. Usually they move a little bit more than this. Might be the size of the container we're using or the drops we have. Let's try a few more drops. Let's put some here. Sometimes with science, the experiments don't always work out the way you want. So then you have to change it up a little bit and see if you do it a different way, if it works even better. So let's go. Here we go. We're going to get a lot of dish soap. Ooh, this one's soaking. Here we go. Come on, milk rainbows. Y'all gonna be difficult. Well, sometimes we find out science doesn't work right. So we're gonna try one more thing. Science can be trial and error, y'all. Which means you try it and it doesn't work. So you got to try something different. So I realized that I had let that dishwashing soap sit out. So I'm just going to do a couple drops here in the middle. And see if our milk does anything different. I see some things happening in the middle, not a lot. Well, cookies, unfortunately, sometimes when you do an experiment, it does not always work out the way you want. And you have to go back and you have to look. And I thought, well, did I not have enough drops in there? And we tried some more drops. And then I thought, well, that dishwashing soap sat out on the sink for a little bit. Let's try some new ones. Well, didn't quite. So I'm not quite sure if it's the size of the container that is too much, but it does kind of blend it out. Not quite as pretty a milk rainbow as it usually happens. So we'll see what happens next time. It's all right, though, everybody, all kindergarten. It is absolutely fine because you don't have to be perfect. Science isn't perfect. And in science, sometimes you try things and it fails and it fails. Do you know, to get the light bulb, Thomas Edison tried 1,000 times. That's a lot. He never gave up. So if I do this again, I might do another video and show y'all, but I am so happy to share with you that it doesn't always work. And I will see you later.